Yeah, no, I asked her.
Stop for a second.
He's totally sucking, yeah. That's not a great angle. That's about it.
You can see into his little mouth from here. It's cute. I bet it's cozy in there. Oh, you lost
Oh,
the
Manny.
Oh, fix it.
Yeah. Fix it, Mom.
Oh. It's okay. There you go.
He's like, I want my hand in the way, too.
There you go. Come on, move your hand. He's like, nope.